Hi friends, this is part 3 of Grid Operation tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create Angular 4 application. Okay. To create Angular 4 application, I use Visual Studio Code Editor. If you want to create inside the project folder, let's copy this folder path. In Visual Studio Code, go to File menu and select Open Folder. Here paste the path, enter. Here select the folder. To create Angular 4 application, I will use the Angular CLI command. We can run Angular CLI command from command prompt. Use integrator terminal menu. Go to view menu. Here open integrator terminal. Use this command to create new application. Ng new, then application name, employee demo. Then hit the enter. This command not only creating new project, it also installing required packages. So it will take a few minutes to complete this project process. Now we have successfully created Angular 4 application. Navigate to project location, use this command cd and application name, employee demo. Press enter. Okay. Then to run this application, use this command ngserve or use shortcut ngs. Then press enter. The application will open in default browser. See here, the default port number is 4200. This is how the Angular application looks like. Okay. Now going to add required components, models and services classes into this application. For that we need one more terminal. Click on plus button. You can see here my application folder path is too long. To hide this long path, use this command prompt dollar symbol. Press enter. Currently we are inside employee API folder. Navigate to this application folder. Use this command cd employee demo and hit the enter. To create component, use this command ng, g for generate, c for component and then component name, employees. Then press enter. Okay. Newly created component can seen inside this folder, employees. Inside the folder we have one style sheet, HTML and a spec file and a TypeScript file. We don't need this script file, so delete that. New component imported in app.module file. See here the newly created component employees component is imported and part of this declaration. Sorry, we need two more components inside this employees folder. For that, right click on employees folder, open in terminal, open in command prompt. Okay. Now create a component ng then employee. If you don't want the spec file, specify dash dash spec equal false. That means it won't create the spec file. See here the employee spec file not created. Okay, we need one more component. Here employee hyphen list. Press enter. Okay, now we have created two components, employee and employee list. Okay, now need to create model and a service class. For that I need to create shared folder inside this employee folder. Okay, new folder shared. Right click on shared, open in command prompt. To create service class, use this command ngts then service name. Here employee. Press the enter button. See here under this shared folder, employee service.spec.ts file and employee service.ts files created. We don't need this spec file. Delete that file. Now we need model class. To create model, we don't have specific Anglo CLA, even though we have a command to generate a class. Ng class employee.model. Press enter. This is the recommended way to name model class files as per the official Anglo documentation. Okay. Let me remove this suffix dot model. Now inside this employee class, we need to add properties of employee table. It's like we have done in web API model class employee. Okay. Copy these properties and paste it here. Okay. There is some differences in C# and TypeScript for declaring properties. Here employee ID it's type integer, so the corresponding data type is number. Let me remove this public int. Now next this employee code, first name, last name, city, all are type string. Now employee model is created. Okay. Then now we have to design the application. In our next video, we will discuss how to design the application and um, how to integrate API. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel.